Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to talk to you about these awesome Sterilite 27-gallon storage containers. These are excellent quality. I use them for work all the time for transporting tools or different things, and they're super sturdy. You can feel right away that the quality of the plastic is excellent. They're very easy to stack so you can keep your storage organized. I really like the latches that it has on the side. You just put the lid on and close the latch, and it's very secure. It won't go anywhere. This is a video of the storage containers next to a suitcase that we use for traveling, so you can kind of have an idea of how much they can hold. So if you're looking for great containers to store your things, I really recommend this ones, and that is my point of view.